I'll trade my pillow for your company. You know I'd find a window of opportunity to paint a rainbow of silk and call it serendipity. You can drop my motorcycle and all will be forgiven. It's a celebration, so I lift you off the ground. Not only me falling.
What's up? Today I'm going to take you guys on a 24 hours in my life as a nurse. And the prep is actually beginning the day before. Right now it is Monday night, I work tomorrow, Tuesday, and I'm getting all my stuff together so that we can have a calming morning since I have not woken up at 5:30 a.m. in over 5 days. I've had a nice little break, but now it's time to get back into the routine. We are packing our lunch. I already laid out my outfit for tomorrow. I laid out my coffee stuff so that it's all prepared. I know what I'm having for breakfast. So now I'm packing my lunch. I gotta put clean fork, clean napkin in here, unpack whatever craziness is still in here. I have so much Chex Mix in here, so I think I'm just gonna leave the Chex Mix as my salty snack. This orange is bad. We're gonna put a better-ish orange in there. We're gonna cut up a little apple and do some apple and peanut butter because that is like one of my favorite morning snacks. The other thing that we are doing in today's video, which I'm so excited because I have been meaning to do this for literally the entire year that I have worked as a nurse and I still have not done it. And that is to make an emergency kit to keep at work, like an extra pair of scrubs, an extra pair of shoes, snacks, or things that I need to keep in my locker that I have access to that I've literally not used for my entire year. I think it's full of candy. We're gonna go to the store today, get a bin, maybe a couple extra snacks just to have on hand so I'm not like spending all my money at the vending machine when I feel like I want a snack. There are also two reasons why I am finally doing this. I'm gonna have to jump up to get my peanut butter. Please hold. Whew. I was taking care of a cute little bebe who is receiving thiotepo, which is a type of chemotherapy that you secrete it heavily in your sweat. So people who are getting that type of chemo, they actually have to take multiple baths a day just to like clear their skin of it. I was helping out taking vitals on this cute little baby receiving this chemo, and baby had a wet diaper, and wet diaper was very full and seeped onto my scrub top. And I could feel it just, you know, slowly getting closer to my skin. Luckily I was wearing long sleeves and, you know, I had the appropriate gloves on and everything, but the gloves weren't covering my underscrub. This happened during night shift, and luckily on night shift I always bring like a little quarter zip sweatshirts sort of thing. So I actually had something that I could take my shirt off and put that on so that I didn't have chemo infusing into my skin. Then I had a coworker who had a situation happen where there was a code brown, if you know what I mean, and she needed to change into like hospital scrubs. So I was like, you know what, that's it. I'm gonna take a pair of scrubs that like don't fit me super well and a scrub top and a sweatshirt, and we're gonna make this emergency kit because I know one day something's gonna happen and I'm gonna be really happy that I have it. So we're gonna work on our preparedness. Break these in half so that I have like enough for each day. My other two shifts this week are on the weekend, so I actually just work tomorrow and then I work the 2 days on the weekend, which is kind of a nice setup because I have a little bit of a break. It's so interesting how on day shift now, I don't like my shifts clustered together as much. Like I like to have a little bit of a spaced out break. Of course, sometimes it's nice to have them all clustered together if I get a really good assignment or, you know, just for continuity of care. I feel like the first day is always the hardest and then you get more into a flow. It is time for us to pack our main dish. And I'm feeling blessed because this video is sponsored by Factor. You guys know I love working with them. They deliver fresh, never frozen meals that are designed by their dietitians and they taste incredible. I've been eating my Factor meals all week. It's been so convenient because I've been really busy running around. I've been packing to go to the beach and I've been getting ready for work and I've been doing all my errands. They're also really flexible so you can pause your subscription or change the delivery date whenever you need. So I love working with them. Their meals are ready in literally 2 minutes, which is so nice at work because I have actually something healthy that's filling to eat, and it's really nice to mix up my routine. Today for our Factor meal, we are trying the Thai roasted vegetable green curry. This is a new flavor that I haven't tried yet, so we're gonna try it together tomorrow at work. And just like that, our meal is packed. I'm trying to decide if there's anything else that I really truly need. I feel like that's a really good lunch. If you guys want to try Factor for yourself, you guys can go to factor75.com, use my code Kiara50 to get 50% off your first box as well as 20% off your second box. I'll also have a link in the description box that you guys can click on as well. The lunch is in the fridge. She's packed, she's ready. We are ready to go to the store and get our emergency box ready. I filled up my water bottle, so I'm just gonna pop this in my backpack so that it is so easy for me to get ready for work tomorrow, because I get so tired. The first day is always the hardest, so I try to just make it a little bit easier on myself. All right, let's go to the store. All right, you guys, we are looking at basket options. I really like this one, but the handles aren't gonna work and it's just not gonna hold up. Let's see what the dimensions are of this guy. It's 11 inches by 10 inches by 8. So this would actually fit, because I believe my locker is like a 12 by 12 by 12. And this is unknown price. It could be $8. We're gonna put this in our basket because this could be really good. I just like that it's like clean looking and it stacks high, so. All right, this one, stackable bin with lid. It's too long, so that won't work. I don't really like that these are clear. Oh, this could be good. This is, it will fit widthwise. It's too deep. I love these containers, so we're gonna get some of these to organize. Okay, this one fits better, so I'm putting this back. Well, we might have found our bin on the first try. Okay, we're getting this one because it's cheaper and I like that it has privacy for my stuff. Success. We're gonna do a quick haul of what I bought, and then obviously I'm gonna add my own stuff, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Got some Tazo tea. This was on sale. It's my favorite tea. It's green tea, and I drink this often when I'm like not having coffee. So I will put some tea bags in there, but really that was just for myself. Of course, this is the basket that I chose. I think it's gonna hopefully fit really nicely. It's a little flexible if needed. Yeah, I hope it fits, because that would just be really nice to have everything contained in one spot. And then I have these little containers just to put some of the little items that I have, like this little toothbrush toothpaste set, and it actually, I don't know if you can see this, but it has like a little cover for it too. We have toothbrushes and toothpaste at my hospital that I could always like, you know, borrow if I needed, but they're like the grossest, tiniest toothbrushes and probably nasty toothpaste. So I just got my own in case like I had something really garlicky at lunch and needed to brush my teeth. I got some snacks because if you're a nurse, you understand that sometimes you just need like a little midday sugar pickup. So I got some treats, a couple packs of Gushers, and then I have never tried these. They're like Airhead sour bites, but there's like a bunch of fun flavors, and I love Airheads and sour candy, so I got these to try. I got some more Advil. I love these little containers. I actually refill them with like my big container, but I got one of the containers for inside here. I also have like Advil in my car and in my work bag, but because we have two separate break rooms, it's like sometimes I'm taking a break in the massage chair break room, and that's where my locker is, and so it's nice just to not have to like walk all the way back into the floor and everything. It seems like a little thing, but it can be a bother. Next, we got some gum. I like mint gum, and this sweet mint is really nice because it's not so minty that my eyes will literally start watering in my mask, so I like this one. And the last thing I got was just some Claritin because it's allergy season and pollen levels are extremely high right now, and this past weekend they hit me hard. So that is what I got. I am gonna spend the rest of my night hanging out with my mom because my dad is out of town, so we're just gonna have a little bit of a girls' night, and I need to go to the Apple store and get a new 2-meter long iPhone cord because mine officially died. I tried to save it, but it no longer is charging my phone at my bedside, so we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna go get dinner as well, so that's the plan for tonight. I'll take you guys along if we do anything super exciting, but if not, I will see you guys tomorrow on the official work day. You guys, I finished my emergency kit. I feel like it all fits perfectly, so I want to show you what's in it. It looks so good. I forgot the other reason that I was going to mention why this is so important to have is because my hospital is like on a really weather challenged spot, so that if we have inclement weather, we've had many nurses actually get stuck at our hospital and spend the night. I feel like it brings me comfort and peace knowing that I have a backup outfit in case. This is the inside of the basket. It all fits so well. Here's our cute little basket. This stuff right here is stacked up extra clothes. I have like a t-shirt. This is great if I ever get hot or, you know, need a shirt to change into. And then I have like a really old under scrub top from Lululemon, a pair of extra compression socks, and then a pair of scrubs. And then at the very bottom, I have like a tiny little bag with an extra sports bra and an extra pair of underwear, like in case I had to take some sort of hazmat shower if I got chemo all over myself. You never know. And then on this side, I have like all of the little candy sweet treats, Gushers, Airheads. I put a yerba mate in here. I feel like that's gonna come in handy. It's probably not gonna last very long. This tiny cute little bin, I have it all organized. I have some hand lotion because my hands always get so dry. At the very bottom, you can see that cute little toothbrush toothpaste set. And then I have a pack of gum, a lip balm, Advil, and then this is just an assortment of teas as well. Sometimes I feel like wearing a mask and talking all the time makes my voice hurt. So tea is always good, and it fits so perfectly there. I'm not gonna take the tag off until I know it slides into the locker. I actually already have a lock. I think it's in my work backpack that I just need to put around my locker so that it's all secure. And then I was gonna bring, I don't know, a couple of fun magnets and things just to like put on the outside of my locker because I currently don't have anything like that. Cannot wait to get that all set up tomorrow. But before we go to bed, because it's really late, it's like 10:48, so I need to go to bed because it's late. I'm gonna do a little unboxing of a package I just got from this amazing follower. She's been following my videos forever. She's actually sent me some stuff before. It's so cute, but I haven't opened this one. It's from, I think you pronounce it Craftsetera, but correct me if I'm wrong because I don't want to mess it up. She has an Etsy store that I will link down below too. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Her packaging, you guys, so cute. She wrote me a little note. It's from Belle. Kiara, I'm thrilled to share with you some of my new badge reels, just a little something to add extra flair to your scrubs. I know you're not in night shift duty now, but I thought that you may want to share it with a friend. Hope you love them. Oh my goodness. Her account is so cute. I don't even want to open this, Belle. It's so pretty. She's got the sticker. Oh my god, these are so cute, you guys. She gave me these adorable stickers. It says, "You got this. We need some more friends like you." Just like really encouraging, cute sticker pack. This badge reel, it says, "I love the scrub life," and she makes it with resin and these like beautiful pressed flowers and plants. Oh my god, this badge buddy, it says RN with the flowers. It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the purple flower. It says, "Sleep is overrated, night shift crew." I think I'm gonna give this to my very best friend who just started night shift. I think she'll think it's so funny and cute. Thank you so much, Belle. I need to take a picture of all of this tomorrow in the good lighting before I like put it all together on my badge. Thank you, Belle. That seriously made my night. I'm so excited about this, but I do have to go to bed. I love you guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
In the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so. Good morning, guys. I slept so terribly. I hate that. I can't figure out why. It was like I had caffeine too late, but I didn't have any caffeine. Honestly, don't know what happened, but I did not sleep well. I was waking up at like the weirdest times, and I just felt like I was like in a light sleep and tossing and turning. So just starting to go back to sleep, like, okay. And then my alarm went off. Isn't that how it always happens? I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm just having some Greek yogurt and raspberries. I'm just gonna try to rally. I'm gonna be really tired today, but I only have one day. I'm gonna try to wake up a little bit more. We're gonna do it. I haven't been so happy ever. Ready. It is 6:30, so it's officially time for us to get in the car. We're gonna put shoes on. All right, stay. Let's do this. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, it is time for us to depart our vehicle. I'm so tired, but we must rally.
let's do this. All right, you guys. Did it. It's officially lunchtime. I've needed a break very badly. I've just had like 3 really busy patients. Like put some more stuff in there. I'm watching you sit there with our best friends at the wedding. You guys, I was able to fit this thing in my locker. At first I couldn't fit it, but then I shoved it. This thing is not coming out. Like at first it was freaking me out, but I got everything in there and now I have space on either side. Of course, I forgot my magnets to decorate the front. No magnets today, but that done. And I only have like an hour left in my shift. My break, my 45-minute break is like super late today, which was good because I've had a really rough day. I'm excited to go home. We survived today. Honestly, a rough day. Like I did not have a good time. I felt like it was one of those days where every single thing was going wrong and I like didn't have enough time to just like catch up until the afternoon. It all worked out. We learned a lot. We did a lot. We survived. I don't know. It's like sometimes in nursing, these are the days that drain you. And these are the days that I'm so glad that I don't have to come back tomorrow. I just need to go home and eat. I'm starving. I'm gonna hang out with my friend tonight. That will be a good distraction. Let's go home and let's eat.
Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present and I still haven't released it. But it's okay cause the new songs are way better.
I got myself some ice cream to enjoy with my friend because, you know, you gotta celebrate the rough day survival. I'm gonna get in like comfy clothes, wash my face, and I'm gonna have some dinner. I wish I had some more of my factor meals so that I could eat that. Oh my goodness, what a mess. We're lighting a candle up in here. Zen mode started. Beautiful. Dinner is officially served. Leftovers. A little bit of a salad, a little penne pasta. I never got to give you my review on my meal because there was so many people in the break room today. I felt like I never got like a solo break room experience. There's probably top 5 Factor meals. Reminder, if you guys want to try Factor for yourself, you can use my code Kiara50. You get 50% off your first box as well as 20% off your second. You can click the link in my description box. Probably gonna wrap up this video because my friend's gonna be here and we're gonna just be doing a lot of like chatting and debriefing, which is good because I need to decompress. It's so important as a nurse, especially as a new nurse. Thank you for coming along the 24 hours of my life. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is your favorite item that you always have on hand to be prepared with? I feel like mine is always hand sanitizer, hair ties, and Advil. Oh, and lip balm. In every bag, I feel like I always have those, and they're such handy things to have. What is your go-to thing to have, like in your emergency kit backup thing, if it's for work or in your car? I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and we're gonna have better shifts this weekend, please.
I'm watching you sit there with our best friends at the wedding.